Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob here. You are watching yourself another episode of Man vs.
Corinne versus Pin.
And it is the first of many Man vs. Corinne versus Pins right here in the new kitchen.
Well, hopefully it's the first of many. We are dealing with fire today. En flambe,
as they may say.
Do we have a fire extinguisher?
I don't know if I got one of those.
We're gonna need one of those.
No.
What?
We don't have one down here underneath the sink.
We don't have a fire extinguisher in here?
We're just moving in. We're getting all the things together.
So what are we doing today?
We are making pizza balloons.
What?
I know!
This sounds crazy.
It is a little nuts. Somebody suggested it, and it is glorious. I saw it, and I was like, this is right up your alley.
Right up my alley.
Right up your... Demonetized already in the first couple seconds. You get a regular pizza, you put a like a dough covering on top, and then you blow it up with some straws, and apparently, boom, pizza balloon.
You don't say.
I went to the store, I picked up my supplies. Hopefully you got your supplies.
Yeah, I went to the store. I know how to shop.
Whoa, okay, all right. Well then, what's the tagline here?
So let's get started, shall we?
Where did you go?
I went to the side cam.
Oh, there's a side camera. Hey, everybody. Now, I myself, being a, I don't know.
An asshole?
Someone who looks for the easy way out.
Oh, an asshole.
I got myself some pre-made circular pizza doughs.
What?
What are you shaking your head for? What are you doing?
I spent 3 days making my dough.
What are you talking
about? I let it rise, mine's all by hand. It was a long, arduous process, and it's gonna be delicious.
Well, I bought mine from the store, so it's probably the same f***ing thing.
I have more pride in my pizza dough, okay?
I don't know about that. So part one of my balloon pizza dough, boom, already done, already made.
What? You're just gonna use that tiny little piece?
Yeah, there's no significant size that you gotta make.
Size matters, kids.
I don't know.
Well, I'll be taking my beautiful handmade dough and knead it a little bit.
I don't need any handmade dough.
You need something.
I'm on to topping my pizza already.
See, but you won't have the pleasure of this, which is really fun. Here.
Fun is winning this thing. Oh, hey, Pizza Joe over here. Put a little pizza sauce down here.
That's how you do it, kids. Like a freaking boss. Hey, mambo, my circle is perfecto.
Wow, mozzarella cheese this bitch up.
Time to get saucy. Yes, queen. The key here, kids, is that you don't go all the way to the edge with your sauce like Rob did.
What? You can do whatever you want with the sauce. Okay, don't go to the edge then. Corinne probably knows what she's talking about.
Just kidding. You're supposed to go to the edge with your sauce.
What? God damn it. I'm gonna use my store-bought pizza dough here because that was a ton easier.
Whatever. Mine is made with love, compassion, artistry. Rob's is made with poop.
What? Throwing some pepperoni on here, because that's how you do a pizza.
Olives.
Oh god, that's fucking gross. Olives or pepperonis, comment below, you sons of bitches. That's a delicious looking pie right there.
Yours looks like crap compared to mine.
Yours looks like shit on a pizza. That's what that looks like.
It's got some onions.
And while she does that, I'm gonna take my store-bought dough right over here. I'm gonna roll that out.
I got to my eyeball. Pizza balloon. Hashtag emotional. Okay. What? What are you doing?
You gotta knead the dough.
That is not how they do it. This is my favorite thing to have on pizza. Red onions and olives. Mwah! Bellissimo! Do we need to turn the oven on? That's probably important. Let's just do straight up 400 and we'll start. Mine is looking pretty delicious. Delicious.
Hey! She made a joke. Hey, what are you doing? God, come on. And you just cut out like a little circle here.
Nice.
There it is. You cover the pizza like that. Take these straws and you just insert them. Now you got your straws on there. Tuck this underneath the pizza. Kind of looks like a little stingray. And this is it. Here we go.
Don't blow it.
Hey, she's good.
Wow, look at that.
Ah!
Oh, you have a leakage in the back too.
Oh. God damn it!
You have a leak, so that's what your real problem is.
Ah, so stupid.
Maybe you should exercise a little bit more. You shouldn't be that out of breath. You okay? You make it through?
All right, well, let's see.
A very pivotal thing that I saw within the video is that you definitely needed to make sure to clamp the sides together really well. Make sure there's no little holes like that. Basically the opposite of what Rob did.
You just wait until you try to blow it up. It's impossible.
And I'll be using paper straws. These are compostable and they won't be getting stuck in any turtles' noses. This is not the first time I've blown something today. What?
Demonetized. Oh, shit. There it is. What is she doing? How are you getting that to stay up? What the fuck? Your first goddamn attempt?
What's up, Rob? Now you should already be voting down in the comments for who's doing a better job. Timestamp.
It's just the beginning.
Winning.
Just the beginning. Oh, damn. You know, what do you know about that Cabbage Patch?
They don't know shit about the Cabbage Patch. They know this dance. Hold on.
Wow, what dance is that? Is that a new f***ing dance everybody's doing out there?
Backpack Kid.
Okay, oven's ready.
Alright, timer set for 15 minutes. Now I just chill.
Alright, now I get back to making my second attempt. This, apparently the pre-made route, that was the wrong way to go. So I'm just gonna take the top off of this here, and I'm just gonna use this as the pizza bottom. Add some pasta sauce here. Gotta scrape all this stuff off. Boom. Do not waste the food. We're moving on. I got some more dough left. Don't you fucking worry about it.
Hey, new countertop, buddy.
Here we go.
Oh, definitely not taking enough time for that. Let's just see how mine's doing over here. Got 7 minutes left. Woo! Look at that!
Shut the f up. Here, check mine out. Here we go.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Attempt number 2. Oop, hole.
Where? Roll out another little piece of dough and you put it over the hole. Cover up all your little dough holes.
You're a little dough hole. I think you have a hole right here, right in the head. Ooh, there you go, Grass.
You.
You definitely have a hole somewhere else.
I see that.
Oh, something. Okay, you're getting cheese everywhere. Stop. Don't get mad at me. Hey, here we have Rob's version of the pizza balloon. It's got a little, it's a little arty here. Looks very, very nice. We have about 2 minutes left. Oh, and a very fine example of a pizza balloon. Don't ruin mine. Be very careful. Look at that comparison. You can go ahead and vote on the winner in the comments down below. Right about now, I'd say. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, yours looks good. Okay, don't fail me now.
God damn it. Wipe that fucking grin off your face.
It's hard, it's so pretty. Don't touch my pizza balloon. Don't you dare touch it ever again. Seriously, don't. Well, here we are. The shell is actually pretty hard. I thought it'd be a lot more fragile. And now I have confidence for the next step, which is pouring a shot of cognac on top of it and lighting the bitch on fire.
Have you ever drank cognac before?
I actually have not.
I've never drank cognac either. Apparently it's supposed to taste like shit.
All right, down the hatch. Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, I can feel it burning my insides.
Oh, it's terrible. Just dump it in the middle. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Here we go.
Ah, no, it's stuck.
What a piece of f***ing lighter. No, it's too dry now.
Oh, God. Woo!
Oh, I got it.
No, I get to do it. You don't get to do it.
Oh my God.
Oh, there.
Whoa.
See, it's still burning over here. So, oh, you can. There is a flame.
Oh, it's burning the whole f***ing paper.
No, it just smells like burning. Now I'm supposed to take a serrated knife and then you cut it open like a little bowl.
Here's the big reveal.
Ooh.
Oh, God damn it, it even looks good inside. Son of a bitch.
Pizza balloon! Rob, where's your pizza balloon?
Oh, shit, my pizza balloon's still in the oven. That's what's smelling like it's burning. Oh.
How's it going over there?
Awesome.
This, I could say, I would definitely do again. It's fun. I feel like we should have a pizza balloon party or something. You can try it. Would you like some of my olive and onion pizza?
Oh, God, that's the worst.
Here, just sit here while I eat it. We all feel bad for you. Oh, look at this. Yum. Who needs culinary school when you have culinary fools? Just choked on it. Hot and delicious. Oh, you can wear it like a little cap. That.
Thank you.
Now you have a pizza hat.
DIY pizza hat. It's the name of this episode.
Well, I think that just about does it for this video.
Oh, does it?
Please leave a comment down below telling us who you think won this challenge. And of course, make sure to subscribe, like up this video, and we'll see you later. Bye. Pizza balloon is delicious. I think we should start a restaurant that just serves pizza balloons, like different types of pizza. Obviously, you can create your own pizza balloon.
Okay, I'm turning off the camera.
Okay, bye. We love you.